What is going on, guys? Welcome. Oh, my camera's not focusing. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm just showing you guys a meet that I went to. It was my last meet of the year. It's the last time I'm driving this car. I'm going to remove things. I'm taking out the turbo probably this week. I just want to see a couple things. The car is smoking an insane amount. I'll have that in a separate video because I'm making a whole separate video on doing this, whatever engine work that I'm going to be doing. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Sorry I didn't get to record every single car that was there. I started recording later into the meet. Please leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to message me. Also, thanks on 800 subscribers. I appreciate that. I appreciate all the love. Really, I really do. I hope you enjoy these clips. It's the last meet that I took the car to, and I don't know, just something to look back on in the future, I guess.
Oh, baby.
You don't want to sell it?
I do want to sell it, but
Huh?
I do when I get ready. Definitely can let you know.
You want to check my number? I feel like I want to get into that. I don't trust you.
Aquí un de esos de carro por acá abajo. ¿Ah?
Want to play 24/7.
Okay. Hello. Clean E90. Also TEs for sale. Looks good. Oh man, this makes me miss my S300 so much. Look at this. Clean Millennium Silver. Oh, and his manual. Oh man. Dude, I need another i300 bad. I'm down bad right now. This thing looks so good. I should have kept my Millennium Silver. Clean Type R's. Oh man, I love the FL5 so much. This one's extended wing stands. Man, the subtle wide body is so good.